and welcome to Ayesha's Fruit, Vegetable and Herbal Balcony Hortus. On our previous video, we made an introductory video to welcome my new channel. Today we're gonna do, although we did a garden tour, that one was more like a mini one. In today's video, we're gonna do a full 360 tour of my balcony Hortus. So my name is Ayesha, and this is my balcony garden or Hortus. Yes. So today we're gonna do some sowing, vegetable and fruit Hortus. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my new channel. This is just an introductory video to my garden. As you can see from the caption, this garden is a balcony garden. It's very tiny, and I'm just making the best use of my space. So yeah, so I have here, this is canna lily. I've had this canna lily for years. Unfortunately, it's never flowered. I'm presuming I'm presuming the reason for this is because maybe I'm not giving it enough feed. However, I'm getting the foliage due to this, accessibility to the sun. And I have some kale here, fruit, vegetable, herbal, balcony Hortus. I hope you are doing well, and I've come up with another video. Today we're going to teach you how to make a fancy flower pot to grow your vegetables or anything basically. So I've done this one. This one was made in I can see this is like a rice bag that I've planted something in there. So this is how it's looking. This is the bag. It's a rice bag. So I'm just trying to be very innovative and planting basically anything in look how bold the taro leaves is looking. The Dashin leaf is looking. This is some coriander, ginormous leaves we've got here.